All right, we are here checking out the Somnofit-S Anti-Snore mouth guard. I'll do another video actually talking about my thoughts on how this thing works and my experience with it. To be honest, I didn't snore my whole life until like a year ago, and now my wife tells me I snore, which is really depressing to me, but perfect time to try something out like this. So this is an anti-snore mouth guard. The idea is that you wear this while you sleep. The device is based on the mandibular advancement principle. The straps pull the lower jaw forward a few millimeters, expanding the airway, which prevents snoring. So I have a hard time sleeping with anything in my mouth, on my wrist, even like a sleeping watch, that kind of thing. It's pretty difficult for me. But we're going to try this. We're going to give it a shot and see if it does the trick. I'll have to read the instructions to figure out exactly what we're dealing with here. But you got this bag with some straps and the mouth guard itself. So I'm guessing you get one of these for the top and one of these for the bottom. And then maybe you got to figure out what straps to use and how to put them on. Yeah, these are numbered, so I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm guessing depending on what works for you. Again, I haven't read any of this, but we'll figure it out. It looks like they kind of hook on to here. I don't know if they go underneath or what. But you get all that, and you get a little container here to put them in, which is all nice. It seems very high quality. Seems really well made. I'm going to have to do some reading of the manual, which I will do, and then I will shoot another video showing. I wanted to see if I can see a picture, kind of giving you an idea. Okay, so you're going to place it in the temperature and the indicator. Okay, so you got to put it in a saucepan, get the water hot, mold it to your mouth. Then you got to mold it to your mouth. So there's a little bit of setup required, not too bad. And then you're going to put the strap around the front of the mouth guard, it looks like. I don't know if you can see that picture right there. So you have these like this. Here's the top and the bottom, I think. Like that. The strap is going to go from here to here to here, which is obviously going to keep these together. Well, I guess that I have them flipped, huh? So it'd be like that. And that controls, I'm guessing, this distance here, which is going to be different for different people. Controls how much you snore. So anyway, I'll stop rambling for now. I will be back. I'll probably give it a few weeks to test this out. I don't know that I'll try it every single night, but I'll get it set up, wear it for a while, and I'll be back to let you know how it went. So check it out.